Whatever you say after I am, whatever you believe after I am, you create your life. I am are the two most powerful words. Whatever you add to I am, you create that in your life. Imagine if you say I am powerful or I am able to achieve great things in life, and the universe will help you to experience power and help you achieving great things in your life. Today I am going to talk to you about this I am statement. I am Laila Ahmed, an intuitive trainer and a therapist. Today we will talk about this statement as well as its transformation. I have been writing this I am statement over 5 years and I have seen an edge over it. I have created a WhatsApp group named I am Magical, where all the participants practice this I am statement and they share their experiences of success on various occasions. Recently, I am reading a book, The Buddha and the Badass by Vishen Lakhiani from Mindvalley. It's a very inspiring book. If you're interested, I'll be sharing the link of the book in the description below. He mentions about lofty questions and how he is using lofty questions every day in his life and achieving great things. Now you might ask, what are lofty questions? So today I'm going to talk to you about lofty questions. Lofty questions are positively phrased that encourages solutions, advice, insights into our day-to-day problems. So while reading about the lofty question, I was inspired to transform the I am statement into lofty questions. Yes, I am changing, and change is the only thing that is constant. So we are changing the I am statement to lofty question. I generally have the habit of first using the technique, whether it resonates with me, and if it is a simple technique, I love to share it with family and friends. But before I share about the lofty questions, let me give you the theory behind the technique. Now our mind is a ball of energy. This ball of energy is divided into two parts, the conscious mind and the subconscious mind. The mind is described like an iceberg, little seen and a lot under the water. So the conscious mind, the seen mind, the logical mind, the analytical mind, the critical mind is hardly 12%, out of which we don't even use completely. And the subconscious mind, the intuitive mind, the all-knowing mind is 88%. So if you tell your mind, I am confident, I am powerful, I am blessed, what would happen? The mind will create situations in your life where you can experience being blessed, being powerful, being confident. But if I say, I am not good enough, I am not smart enough, I am rejected, I am unsuccessful, what would happen? The mind will create situation which will experience all those things in your life. Our mind is like a supercomputer. In the computer there is a language called GIGO, garbage in, garbage out. Our mind works on the similar technique. It says garbage thoughts in, garbage thoughts out. But if you trick this mind, change the garbage into good. So it says good thought in, good thoughts out. And it's simple. You always get lemonade from lime and not anything else. Now let's look at some lofty question. Why I am always so happy? Why I am always so happy? Even when you are saying this question, there is a smile on your face. Why you are always happy? Your mind loves to give answers, and whenever you praise, whenever you put this question, why I am always so happy, your mind starts searching for your experiences from your life where you were happy. But mind you, we use a lot of questions in our day-to-day life, but most of them are negative. Why I am always late? Why I am unsuccessful? Why I am rejected? So if you keep on asking these negative questions, you know what the answer the universe would give you? Do you want me to tell you that? Lofty questions will help you to impact your life more positively. It will help you to come out of your stuck emotional state. It will help you to manifest your life more productively. Let me share a story about one of my participants. She is working for a hospital. Recently in this pandemic, in this lockdown, she was asked to come to the hospital. Though she is not from the medical field, but she was a little hesitant because of the over increasing cases of COVID. And she was reluctant to go. She called me up to get advice about what should I do. This job was very important for her. I guided her to chant these lofty questions about how she can attract her dream job. She started doing that, and within a couple of days, she got an interview call. She cleared her interview for an online teaching classes, and she was so happy that she could achieve her dream job with so much of ease. So lofty question encourages your intuitions, your insights. It helps you shift to take a more positive action, to raise your frequency and to create a better life, creating infinite possibilities for growth and success in all areas of your life. Now I will show you how to transform your I am statement into lofty questions. I am surrounded by joy and happiness. This is a statement. I am surrounded by joy and happiness. When we transform this statement into lofty question, the question would be, why I am always surrounded by joy and happiness. Why I am always surrounded by joy and happiness. In the statement there was no time frame, but when I am saying why I am always surrounded, always plays the magic where you are feeling joyful and happy all around you. Let's take another example. I am balanced in my body, mind and spirit. This is a statement. But when you convert this statement into a lofty question which says, why I am always able to balance my body, mind and soul. What will happen? First, you are using the word always, so all the time you remain in the balance of body, mind and soul. And second, your mind starts searching for your experiences from your life where you have experienced this balance in your life. So now let me give you another example. We all want abundance, right? We want prosperity. So the statement is, I am prosperous and able to attract more than I need. Now this is a statement. I want you to convert this statement into lofty question which resonates with you. Write down in the comments below. I will evaluate your answers and reply so that you get the maximum benefits. Now when I am saying lofty question has to resonate with your life, so it has to be created by self. Yes, you can take the help of someone who can guide you, but if the question does not resonate with you, probably you will not get the results. If you are interested in learning more about the lofty question, I have a free WhatsApp group. Those interested can join in. I'll be sharing the link in the description below. Hope this video gave you an insight on the importance of using positive thoughts, on the importance of creating positive lofty questions which you can use in your day-to-day life and attract happiness, peace, prosperity and success. If you like this pearl of intuition and you want me to make more videos on it, do leave your suggestion in the comment below. If you have benefited from this video, do like and share with your family and friends so together we can make a difference. Light and fragrance to all of you.